For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.
In this module, I'll explain through an example how a small amount of additional payment helps lower the repayment period. So I'll walk you through an example where you are repaying a loan through an annuity payment, and you can find out that if you pay an additional extra amount every time period, it has a significant impact on the length of the repayment period. So let's go through this. The purpose of this presentation is to show through a simple example how additional monthly payment beyond the scheduled payment helps lower the repayment period. This example shows that a small amount of additional payment has considerable impact on repayment period. So something you get of value from this is a simple example. For example, a homeowner has purchased a home with a loan of $300,000 to be repaid in 30 years, 360 monthly payments. The interest rate offered by the bank is 3% APR. This is an example of a typical 30-year fixed-rate home mortgage plan. The monthly payment is, we can estimate using the capital recovery factor, A over P, 3 over half %, and 360 time period. Initial cost of $300,000 generates a monthly payment of $1,266. So that's the monthly payment you are locked into for next 360 payments, unless the parameter changes through refinancing and all that. This monthly payment doesn't change unless the loan is refinanced. Now you can use the same table to compute for different additional payment what's the impact, and here's a table that shows that we are solving the same equation for n for different amount of monthly annuity payment. So for 10% we showed the new plan period is 308, so your reduction in length is 4 years and 4 months, 52 payments. If you increase it to 20% additional payment, then it new period changes to 272.4. So it reduced the plan period by 7 years and 3 months. If you increase the additional payment to 25% of the scheduled payment, N changes to drops down to 257, a reduction in length of 8 years and 7 months. For 40% additional payment, the reduction is 11 years and 7 months, And if you increase it to 50%, you have a saving in terms of reduction in length, 13 years and 3 months. So loan gets repaid at the end of 16 years and 7 months instead of a whole 30-year plan. So it shows that a small amount of additional initial payment has significant impact on the length of the plan period. So the principle here is, this example reinforces a common sense idea. Any additional payment beyond the scheduled amount goes directly to lower the amount of unpaid principal. So remember, if you look at the amortization table, once you make an annuity payment, first you pay towards the interest accrued over the last period. Then the remaining amount goes towards paying the principal. But what's happening when you put the additional amount, you are paying additional amount towards the principal. So that lowers your principal end of the period, and that lowers the interest burden for the next period. So what happens, so you keep paying more towards the principal and keep lowering your interest burden. And that helps you quickly lower the plan period. So that table is a good example. A knowledgeable borrower, you can set up an amortization table. I have set up a separate example showing how to set up an amortization table for a plan, repayment plan, and you glean useful information from there. So you can set up an amortization table with a different amount of initial payment, and you can see how it impacts your repayment plan. So this is a simple but instructive example that you hear a lot from the financial planner, that if you can pay a little extra amount beyond the scheduled payment to lower the plan period. Hopefully this example will be of value to you, and I'll be back with more examples. Thank you.
For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.